Well, welcome back to the Jag family. Today I'm cleaning the roof of my fifth wheel. As you can tell, it's extremely dirty. And what I'm using is this Ryobi tool. It's got a little rotator with a brush. It's a stiff bristled brush, and it works great. I mean, it is phenomenal. All I gotta do, move it back and forth, and it spins, takes stuff right up. I'm using degreaser that you get from Home Depot, and a little bit of Ajax, and it's picking up real well. So I'll show you how that works out, show you how it cleans up, and I got a big job ahead of me. So let's get to it. Now I just wanted to show you this real quick. You can see the difference in cleaning this part with the brush. You can see the difference in cleaning this part with the brush. This part has been washed down, it's had some soap on it, so some of the dirt already came up. I didn't brush it yet, but you can just see how big the difference is. That's really cool. Alright, I wanted to show you this real quick while I'm working on this. This had a max air cover on it, and so this is what happens if we don't clean it very often. So I'm not going to put it back on, but I would just suggest that you take it off once in a while, clean it real good, and get real nasty in there. But so far, it's the roof's cleaning up pretty good. So we'll continue on with it. Alright, I just wanted to stop right here. I'm almost done. I only got this much to do. And I've been using this tool, a little brush, motorized brush, and I got a 4 amp hour battery in here. I'm sorry, it's a 2 amp hour battery, 18 volt. And it was charged fully when I started, so I did a whole 40-foot roof twice, you know, soap and then the degreaser, and I got this far. I only have a couple more inches to go, so a 2 amp hour battery is worked out pretty good. This has got some, I'm really impressed. It's got a good longevity in it. So I'm a little close, but this thing's awesome. I love it for the roof. When I bought it, I was like, why am I buying this? What am I going to use it for? But this is perfect for it. When your caulking gun breaks, you have to improvise. See if it works. It should. It works for bakers. I think I came out pretty good. Between the Dawn soap and the degreaser, it pulled a lot of that. I'd say like 90% of the dirt off. There's still a little, some that are embedded in there. But at the end, when I was caulking, the gun broke, the tube. So I just did what any baker would do, and I put it into a bag, cut the end off, and I squeezed it in there. It worked out great. So nice little tip. I want to thank you for coming by and checking this out. There's a lot of micro cracks in this, so I'll probably put that layer over it that uses kind of like a flexible membrane. So I'm going to do that. But again, thank you, and please comment, like, and subscribe.